Hello! Right, boom, so today we're going to be rust-proofing our Camaro a little bit and then putting a cover on it because we're not going to take it out in the winter, but essentially we've got a bit of rust. Obviously it's a 42, I can't count, 1977, probably 45-year-old car. It's going to be rusty at some point, isn't it? Because obviously it's been around longer than I have 4 times. But as you can see, we've got some rust bubbling here, so we can get rid of that. That's probably going to make a hole. But again, you've got rust basically everywhere. Then again, what do you expect?
Expect your bank account to still have money in it, and this car will be someone else's problem.
Yeah, you don't approve. Right, so we've got the truck load. I don't know. We've got a carload of stuff. We've got the Halfords. What? Yeah, so we got the all seasons car cover. That's supposed to be really crap according to all the reviews. That's supposed to not be waterproof, and that says waterproof, so I don't know how that's going to hold up. But then we've got other tools. We've got the Q-Rust, this, love it. Some of the zinc primer, love that as well. I can't really see it because exposure settings, and got loads of other stuff. We could put some ready mixed coolant in it because it's just completed itself. But yeah, basically let's get to work on this dodgy car. I still can't believe how I've managed to get that at 19 years old. Like, I don't even live in the States. That's what makes it different. Is if I was in the States, I'd have one of these like for my first car because you can. But here, that's mad.
Right, so the only thing we're doing is literally sanding it down back to metal, or close enough to metal where there's no rust. And then we are going to be sanding it a bit more, and then just basically putting some Q-Rust on it, make it wait till it goes black, and then just cover up with that primer.
Obviously what we're doing, we're just preventing any more rust because this is, you know, yeah, winter's coming. It's gonna, like, if you look at the boot, that's just, yeah, that's not good. We'll sort it out in a minute. But we're not making it look pretty at the moment because again, winter's coming. We're gonna do it next year. I don't know why these, like, I don't know. The washer doesn't work. There's no motor. The overflow for the rad doesn't have any pipes going to it. We've got your fuse box over there. It's definitely some dusty kid back in the States putting some dodgy stereo amplifier in there. So I don't know how this car's not broken or blown up yet. But it looks alright. Bit of residue in the oil bit over there. But apart from that, it looks quite cool. Let's get to work putting some stuff in here. Looking slowly. And it's not really much in there, but let's put some Halfords ready mix in. Let's go. Right, so in the machine, we've still got cigarettes from California. Right, put the brake and the pedal, first automatic. Oh, find the thing. That's fine. Right, actually, what am I doing? It's not a car from like the 2000s. Let's pump it twice. We might just be pumping air. Then we go for it, and then pump. That's one. Remember, this has been sat for a while. Did you know, right, that this here? Oh, bloody hell. I'll push it in, do I? Yeah, I do. I push it in. That's your hazards. What's up on it? Oh, just go. I'm just blind. Ah, right, cool. Can't be bothered. It's done for the day. Me and Dad both tired from doing so much rust work on it. Well, I am.
I'm hungry.
Fair play. So yeah, look, there's what do we call you again? What was the weird thing that we called you? Was it Paparani, something dodgy like that?
What do you think of me?
Is it right?
I can't think of me.
What? Idiot! Anyway, that's the car. It's got a slight fuel leak in it, so it's gonna be there. We're gonna sort it out in the springtime, probably, hopefully, and from there we're gonna get it nice and restored. This is what happens when you watch Transformers once. You end up buying a car like this. So yeah, You won't see this car until spring. I don't know what to say. What should we do for the outro? Just a goodbye.
Ta-da!
You do it.
We'll do it.
No, say ta-da again.
Ta-da!